Welcome back. While addressing Congress party cadre in Gujarat, Rahul Gandhi issues a bold call to cleanse Congress party, particularly the Gujarat unit, demanding the removal of what he called 30 to 40 BJP moles to restore integrity and unity. He argued that the internal mismanagement and misplaced leadership have weakened the party, a situation that was repeatedly undermined or has undermined its stability. He was speaking at a function in Gujarat while addressing the Congress workers there. By pushing for strict organizational reforms and insisting that only true Congress loyalists occupy leadership roles, Rahul Gandhi aims to fortify the party's internal structure and enhance its ability to counter external political challenges.
तो अगर हमें रिश्ता बनाना है तो हमें दो काम करने हैं। पहला काम, ये जो दो ग्रुप्स हैं इनको अलग करना है सीधा। अगर हमें सख्त कार्रवाई करनी पड़ी, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 लोगों को निकालना पड़ा, निकाल देना चाहिए। बीजेपी के लिए अंदर से काम कर रहे हो, चलो जाके देखते हैं, बाहर से काम करो। तुम्हारी वहां जगह नहीं बनेगी, बाहर फेंक देंगे तुम्हें। तो पहला काम ये करना है। और जैसे ही, मतलब अगर हमारा कोई डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट हो, ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट हो, सीनियर लीडर हो, तो यहां पे कांग्रेस होनी चाहिए।
He's absolutely correct, and we've all known it for the longest time. And I think this speech today in Ahmedabad was a result of the feedback that he took from numerous Congress workers yesterday, because I got to hear from my own people in my district and otherwise that he allowed them to speak openly and freely, which they were all very happy about, because for the first time they managed to have a one-on-one with RG where they could speak their heart and mind out. And they did that because RG gave them that motivation despite the others telling them to keep quiet. So I am assuming that Rahul ji said this today and he's identified those people, and like I said, it gives us the hope that they'll be weeded out soon.
Meanwhile, Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini has ridiculed Rahul Gandhi and claimed no one can defeat BJP as long as Rahul Gandhi is there.
सर, राहुल गांधी ने कहा है कि कांग्रेस में कुछ ऐसे नेता जो बीजेपी से मिले हुए हैं उन्हें बाहर निकालना चाहिए।
राहुल भी मिले हैं बीजेपी के, तो आपने पता नहीं है, जब तक राहुल है मिले आओ पूरा।
Well, Balesh